Hi, great that you're back. Well, today I'd like to show you how you descale your Sage Barista Pro or your Gastroback or your Breville equivalent. So every machine that looks like this, you can follow the video. So why do I need to descale my coffee maker? Because it builds up a lot of stuff inside, which, has an impact on the taste. I'll show you how it may look. You can see here, this is all the stuff that builds up inside the machine, and this has a big impact on the taste of your coffee, on the temperature of your coffee, and also I don't think it's that hygienic to have this all build up in the machine. So it is good to descale your machine on a regular basis. How do I know I have to descale my machine? Well, usually your machine tells you this. If this Clean Me LED lights up solid all the time, then you latest should descale your machine. If it blinks, it means Clean Me, then you do the stuff here with this little tablet and all these things. But if it stays on, it means now it's time to descale a machine. I do it on a regular basis. I do it every 3 months when I switch also my water filter. So I descale my machine and I also change the filter then. So I prepare this. I got my new water filter here. So while I'm descaling the machine, I have the filter soaked in water so that it's ready afterwards for my water tank. What else do I need to do? Of course, you have to take out a filter, the water filter. If you have a filter in here, you fill up the water tank with your descaling solution. You empty the drip tray. You need a container that holds the water. So we put this underneath here, and then we're ready to go. So we can start the whole process. So to get into the descaling cycle, we need, let me get that closer. You need to hold this button and then you push the power button. This will bring the machine in the descaling cycle. The machine will heat up, and as soon as the power button stops flashing, all these things will heat up or light up, and then you know you can start the descaling process. You see here, we're already in the descaling cycle. So now everything is solid, and now we can start. So we start by pushing the 1 cup button, and then it automatically will rinse the coffee system. I hope you can still hear me. This takes about 35 seconds, 25 seconds circa, then it'll stop automatically. And then we will start to descale the water system as well as the steam system. You see it stops automatically. And now hot water and steam lights up, so we twist the knob to the steam or to the water, whatever. So now, right now, it's cleaning the water system. This will stop after around 8 seconds automatically. Then we go to the steam system. And you can see here it's cleaning the steam system. This will stop also after around 13 seconds. So, and now we start it all over again. So we press this again, and I will stop the camera in that time. You don't need to see the whole thing. So we will stop this in this time. And I'll come back later to show you what you do next. So you basically do this whole thing as long until the water tank is empty. After that, you will rinse your water tank very, very carefully so that you get all the rest of the descale solution out of the tank. So rinse it very good. Then you fill the water tank up again with water, and you do the whole process again. You start again with the coffee system that will be rinsed now with fresh water, so that we get all the rest of the descaling solution out. We will do the same thing with the steam and with the hot water. And we do it until the water tank is empty. So it takes about 2 or 3 cycles to get this whole system clean and empty. And so after the tank is empty, you rinse your water tank again. You make sure that the filter is on the right settings now. Now we have March, and I have to put the new filter in by the end of May. So I put this back in there, and I fill up the whole system with fresh water, and then I simply switch off the machine, and the descaling process is finished. So that's how you do it. I hope I could help you with the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, I hope I could help. Have a good one. See you next time.